Hi guys, I'm back. Woke up early today for Japfest. It's at about an hour's drive. I'm hoping the car will make it there in one piece. Gonna meet up with some people on the way. So let's see how it goes today. Hoping the weather's gonna be good as well, and it gives me a good chance to take my car out for a longer drive than usual. Made it to the Oxford services. Car did very well. Arrive at the show. It's a good turnout.
Isn't it? I thought it'd be quicker than that. It's like a straight turn.
Just got back from Japfest. The car performed really well. I thought there's going to be some problems, but it stayed no problem whatsoever. The heat shield was rattling a bit, and I'll probably need some brakes doing at some point in the future. But yeah, got back in one piece. The car, everyone loved it, and that's about it for today. I'll see you guys soon.